In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep directly from Google Calendar to make note-taking and planning easier than ever. This quick tutorial will show you how to streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful Google tools. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar. You can do this in your preferred web browser. Just make sure you're logged into your Google account, as everything is interconnected through this platform. Once you're in, the magic begins. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your calendar screen. Here you'll notice a small yellow light bulb icon. This icon serves as your shortcut to Google Keep. A simple click on it will open the Google Keep sidebar, placing your notes at your fingertips without needing to navigate away from your calendar view. As you explore the Google Keep sidebar, you'll find all the notes you've previously created. Feel free to scroll through them, review, and even open any note you wish to revisit. Google Keep makes it incredibly straightforward to manage your ideas. If you're ready to create something new, you only need to click on the yellow plus icon. Alternatively, you can begin typing directly into the Take a Note field right there in the sidebar. When creating a note, you'll start by typing in a title. This helps in keeping your notes organized and easily accessible at a glance. After setting a title, jot down any details you want to remember. These could range from crucial meeting points to task lists or even personal reminders. It's all about capturing information that enhances your productivity and planning. Once you have your note ready, you can make the most out of it by integrating it with your Google Calendar events. One practical tip is to copy the content of your note and paste it into the description field of any event on your calendar. This is incredibly handy because it connects your notes with your scheduled plans seamlessly. Now, everything you need for a meeting, appointment, or deadline stays in one place, reducing the hassle of switching between apps or tabs. And that's it. You've just learned how to access and use Google Keep directly within Google Calendar. This integration offers a fantastic way to stay organized by centralizing your notes and schedule into one cohesive system, eliminating the need for tab juggling and saving you time in the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little trick boosts your productivity as much as it has for others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use Google Keep with your Google Calendar. Happy planning!